groups.
Okay. Action.
Hello, my name is James, and today with Cooking with James, there's a wink. I'm going to be making chicken salad croquettes. Had some chicken salad that was starting to stink up the house. So what we're doing, we're going to make it like a, what's that word? Salmon croquettes. So
Yes.
what we did, it's never been done before in the history of life. We've taken some chicken salad, salad, and we're adding some eggs, and we're adding some breadcrumbs.
Cool.
Then we rolled it up, and made it in a sausage pattern. So right now the oil is heating up. We're using less than vegetable oil because Karen tells me that it has a higher heating temperature than olive oil.
Right.
So it's heating up. And so we're going to press it out and we're going to make it in like a 1/4 inch thick chicken salad. Okay.
Yummy.
Daughter Claire's filming. Wife Karen is instrumental in telling me what to do. So first, there's my pan. See the pan?
Yes.
There's the pan. There's the croquettes, all chopped evenly, but I'm going to press a little bit. Here's a handy dandy spatula. You can get these for 97 cents at Walmart. You get a spoon, you get a spatula, and 3 things on there for 97 cents.
Cool.
Yeah, that's right. And so since the stove is a little wobbly, I got it propped up with some spice rack here. So we're waiting for this to feel like it has some temperature. Go ahead and cut, and we'll come back to it in a minute when we're frying the croquettes.
All right.
We're filming. Welcome back to Cooking with James. Here's a wink for you. I got my associate chef here, Zack. Got a picture of him? There he is.
That.
Yeah, that's Zack. He does all the dishes. All you have to do is give them to him, put them right back in there. Put them right back in the cabinet. So anyway, we've got the heat done. On the, it was brought to my attention that my hair may be a little out of place, but I still got hair. All right, for those of y'all that don't. And here we go. And I think it's in here, as you can see, there's green things in there. What are the green things?
A green curry.
Celery. I think we put pickle in there too. So any of that you can fry. And there's chicken, of course. We picked up a rotisserie chicken from Ingles. Let them know they owe me money for the ad. And then we just didn't even eat any of it. We just turned it into chicken salad. But it was sitting in the refrigerator long enough, as I say, it was starting to smell. So we're going to try to make a breakfast out of it.
You need to stop that.
You need to stop that.
Okay. Yes.
My editor. Editor in live. It's still, I don't know that it's warm enough yet. So we're going to do the, remember your mom or somebody used to drop water in the oil if it would kind of bubble. I guess it was hot enough. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to do that. So we're almost there.
Okay.
Still got me?
Yes.
Sorry, wasting a lot of time. We'll edit this in post-production.
Okay.
Ooh, did y'all see that? That got me. Normally I cook without a shirt on, and I just have an apron, and when those that oil pops, oh boy, it hurts. So anyway, I think we're going to try dropping one in there.
Okay.
I think I'm going to smush it just a little bit because, I don't know, because that's what your mom did. Oh, y'all see that?
Go burn yourself.
It's going like crazy. So, anyway, 1/4 inch, something like that. Oh, and this is made with chicken salad. Did I finish what it was made out of?
Chicken salad.
Chicken salad. Ow! Stop it! Ouch. It wasn't.
It's okay.
Yeah, fine. That knocked a piddle out of my hand, though.
Boy.
I got in there is an egg. What is this? Here it is. Panko. Panko. Breadcrumbs. I went into Ingles. Remind them they owe me some more money. and asked for the Planko stuff. And so the girl politely told me, "Oh, the panko is over here." So like, customer service, that ain't happening. So still don't think it's hot enough, but we'll probably just cook this one and let it absorb a lot of grease. That one we won't eat. That hurt my hand. I don't know why they made it pop like that.
Sorry
Give
guys.
it a little squish, because we can. I don't have it hot enough. Sorry. We'll, like I say, we'll edit this in post-production.
Cut.
Yeah, cut for a minute. You're with Cooking with James. Here's a wink. While we're waiting for the grease to get hot, I got whatever it is I'm cooking, croquette in there.
Chicken salad thing.
Chicken salad croquette, yeah. And the reason I'm wearing glasses now is because, while I had I just put the croquette in there and then like a grease splattered and it splattered into my mouth and burnt my tongue and kind of muffed my lips. So
Out.
I don't know what that's all about. So I thought I would go ahead and wear protective eyewear. And got these glasses at the dollar store.
They look
Remind me
nice.
to call the dollar store. Let them know they owe me advertising money.
Go burn yourself.
Yeah, and right now I think I'm getting the grease right. It's not burning. So we're gonna start putting in the. Yeah, there you go. And it didn't jump around.
Go fly it stuff.
Yeah, it's seems to be behaving itself a little bit now. I don't know if that was an oddity.
Hey, nothing.
I've never been burned in the mouth before. I didn't
Really?
like it. So,
Really?
No, that's right. So I'm pressing the patty. I'm pattying it up, so to speak. You know, and it's like I say, the green things in there I think are pickles or celery. Are there onions in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's onions in there too. You may want to know that. If you're allergic to onions or you don't care for onions, it would kind of be weird, but neither here nor there. So I'm taking the test patty out, putting it, of course, on a plate, which is green, does match nothing that we have. On top of paper towels to, of course, dry the grease.
May I come in the kitchen?
You can come in the kitchen. Oh, that is a rule when I'm cooking. You have to get permission to come in the kitchen. Unless you're my wife, then you totally ignore me.
Yay!
See what Daddy's doing.
There you go. It smells pretty good.
I hope I don't burn myself.
Don't do it. And then I thought about using, because you very careful. It's now still spitting. I'm old school where there's no such thing as panko breadcrumbs, because I guess we couldn't pronounce them where I grew up. And so I'm thinking about trying these with that cornmeal at another time. Trash.
And Daddy just grab it.
Alright, since I'm filming, I won't reuse this. The rest of the family is not so lucky. Clean fork. Okay. And we got them, see that cookie? This portion of the show is sponsored by Just Wait and See. And this is, I think it's Wesson oil, pure vegetable oil. Remind the Wesson Company. They owe me advertising. See, that's looking kind of okay.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Just like that.
Karen and I one time tried to make corn fritters.
Oh my God.
And because we had them at our local restaurant, we thought, boy, theirs are so good. And apparently we may not have gotten the grease hot enough because We like to use a whole quart of grease for our chicken fritters. Needless to say, we were
Hey, Dad.
we dined on a whole quart of grease. Fritters were good for a while, and then they're just like, ugh. You know, they weren't that good after a bit of time. So anyway, I'm trying them. I don't think I'm burning the oil. Do you see smoke?
A little bit.
Uh-oh.
Not really. I
It's
can't
not
tell.
supposed to smoke.
I can't really tell.
Plus, we've got company coming over tonight because Karen's going to minister to them and marry them, I think, next weekend.
Oh, cool.
And told her she shouldn't be doing that because I think that's against the law in this state.
True.
True that.
Nothing.
God.
So, anyway. See that? Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know why that's doing that.
because it likes you.
Well, I guess maybe I don't know. There's nothing there to make it pop like that. So anyway, I don't like cooking with grease. We have an air fryer. If I could remember the name of it, I would tell them that they owed advertising.
See, that's the air fryer guy.
But it is super cool. I encourage anyone that likes fried foods, and especially if you like Five Guys French fries.
Yes.
You can seriously make some Five Guys. Ow! You can seriously make some.
Language.
I said dagnabbit.
Okay.
You can make some seriously good French fries with the air fryer. Ain't that right, Kayla?
Hey, I love air fryer.
I messed up with the onion rings the first time I tried the air fryer. They were awful. I tried to make onion rings. Apparently, I don't know. I can't for the first time. You know, what is your new? Everyone from YouTube, yeah. Everyone on YouTube doesn't know what they're talking about.
Mhm.
Take me, for instance.
Look at that. Oh.
Yeah, look at that. Fried food. Oh, it is smoking. I think I did see it smoking. Yeah. I can't see through these glasses very well, but I'm not going to have burnt eyes either from grease splatter.
Yeah.
Okay, where are we at? We're getting there. Does that food look pretty good, Claire?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, pretty good, she says.
Yummy.
And really, we got our test. There, stop it. We got our test subject, Zack. If it turns out bad, we'll make grits or something. I wanted to wash my hands, and we don't have a per se production assistant that does all the dishes. So we have one of those magical houses. Those magical houses. If somehow you put a dirty dish in the sink, and it magically gets done. Same thing with my underwear. It's
You're
like
wearing your
cool.
pants, guy.
Huh?
You're wearing your pants.
No, what I'm saying is, you know, when you use all your underwear and you put them somewhere near the laundry room, you get magically taken care of. It's cool. Ooh, do we have ketchup?
I believe we do.
I know we probably got barbecue sauce, and down here where we live, barbecue sauce is
Not again.
What is popping?
You?
No, something.
See, quit messing with my guy. It's having a cooking show here.
Yeah, we're cooking.
Well, I'm just filming.
Here, you're part of the production team.
So,
Maybe there was moisture in that, injected in that chicken.
Maybe there's moisture injected in that chicken.
could be.
Because I went to Ingalls and I met a man there at that little place where they keep all the chickens, and they have clocks on the chickens. So I asked the gentleman, he looked like he was a learned individual, I said, what do the clocks mean? When is the fresh chicken and when is the not so fresh chicken?
Mm-hmm.
So he didn't know either. And he was concerned, as I was, that we didn't want to take a dry chicken home to the family, because the family would be perhaps critical of bringing home dry chicken. So we chased down people that worked there at Ingalls, asking them what the clock meant. And so the clock is apparently written on there with a magic marker to let you know what time the chickens came out. So we got the ones that were
The freshest.
the freshest ones, of which in the bottom of the chicken
Moisture.
there's moisture. That's my script writer
Gotta help.
and production manager and general overseer.
Thank you.
Hey, Zack.
And anyway, so I can't. The one that I brought home had a lot of juice in the bottom. Before we knew it, me and the gentleman was thinking just totally opposite. So we were looking for the dates, the times on the other end of the spectrum, and they were all dried up. So if you go the time, the little, if you're in Ingalls, the time list posted is when they came out. You want the ones that's closer to the time that you are standing there. Yep.
Looking good.
And I would say we would serve rice with this, but I don't know how to make rice. It's something to do with 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. My tongue burns. So be careful when you're cooking these. I think they'd be delicious, and you could probably have you might want to even have something green with it, because this is it's almost one.
I know it's gonna be delicious.
Okay, so here we have it. We're going to just let this cook down. Looks
Okay.
pretty good. There's still a lot of grease left in there. The paper towel's sorbing up some stuff. This one, that might be a Zack one. So as you can tell, as you can see, I think they're going to be good. So this is our episode of Cooking with James. Here's a link for you. And we're having chicken salad croquettes on a whim to get the chicken salad out of the refrigerator. I hope you tune in for more episodes. We'll cook something. All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.